informed by His Excellency the President's decision, now we have gone international for this year's Kenya Innovation Week and invited 56th Commonwealth innovators to be here with us in Nairobi to give us the opportunity to exchange ideas, to share what we have on this side of the world so that we get to exchange notes. It's an opportunity for us that we all very sure are eager to get benefit from. And we have seen this year's theme promises us to unlock our common wealth through our different innovations.
I have seen deliberate, intentional, structured motion towards synergy, towards joining dots, listening to what we can look forward to. The menu of summit, the Startup Summit, where we are going to be looking at future jobs, green jobs, remote workforces, all the way to the Student Summit, unleashing the force, the energy, the imagination of our young people in schools, the Youth Entrepreneurship Summit, engaging our young people in not just imagining and innovating, but moving to the next critical stage of entrepreneurship, the Youth Entrepreneurship Summit, the creatives.
In response, our innovation landscape is transforming rapidly into a phenomenon to behold. Last year, I made a promise to make the Kenya Innovation Week a global festival to showcase the best Kenyan innovations, engage new partnerships, foster collaboration, and attract investment. In keeping with that commitment, I am delighted to announce that the 2023 edition of the Kenya Innovation Week will be a special platform bringing together Kenya's renowned innovators with their best and brightest counterparts throughout the 56 nations which make up the Commonwealth family, with the objective of significantly enhancing our capacity for transformative innovation.